All right. Do you have a referral program? Now, most people don't give referrals, and most companies don't have a referral program, but it sure makes a whole lot of sense to me to have one and to incentivize your customers to refer you. If you've been around a while, you have some customers that refer you, and oftentimes it's a handful or it's 10 people that just keep referring you. Even though you've told 1,000 people about your referral program, it's like these handful of people. And I would say it's just part of your sales pitch, and it's part of how the foreman closes a job. It's part of the follow-up. It's on your website. You just gotta have a referral program. And, what would you pay for a referral lead? Typically, people would pay a lot of money for a referral lead. If you study referrals, there's something interesting about referral leads. They're the highest closing percentage. They also have the highest average sale, and they also tend to be installed the easiest because there's more trust that came with the referral. Now, who doesn't want to sell leads with a higher average sale and a higher closing percentage? People would pay for those leads all the time. I know companies that they'd give $500 as an incentive for a referral lead. I mean, that's a good place to start. And just put some qualifications on there, must have a minimum amount of dollars spent, and then, whatever your minimum qualifications are. But you need to have a referral program. All right, it's getting better. The list is getting longer, and we're not spending a lot of money right now. So, remarketing off of a website visit. Now, I mentioned something called ghost leads. What is a ghost lead? There are services now that can give you, with about 80% accuracy, the name, sometimes 2 phone numbers, sometimes 2 email addresses of the people that went to visit your website. And how they do that is they're identifying the IP address, and from there, they run it through lots of different software, and within an hour or 2, you can identify all that information. That's a lot. With that information, you can send emails, and I'm gonna go back here. Now I got ahead of myself a little bit, but referral marketing, yes, you could run the strategy, what I call ghost leads, but you could also run commonly known as the Facebook pixel. You could tell Facebook and Instagram to find them on their platforms. You could tell Google to find them on the Google partners. I mean, Google's even targeting Gmail accounts with ads. So remarketing off of a web visit. Now that web visit might be from the sign in the yard. Maybe someone got a letter and they're being nosy and they want to know what company the Joneses down the street hired or what work they're getting done. So this is again an inexpensive way to market. Canvassing. Some of our clients canvass on a regular basis and they do it quite well. Most people are like, "Oh my gosh, I'm not getting into that." I totally get it. I ran a canvassing department. It's a lot. But you could also look at canvassing as in this letter on the door, you're you can have 1 or 2 people that are kinda good at it on the cruise. They could knock on the door, and that is canvassing. And that conversation looks like, "Hi, we're doing some work down the street. If we're making too much noise, I just wanna give you some information. We don't want any complaints. If you see any debris, please let us know. We don't wanna be an inconvenience to you, whether our trucks are in the way or anything. Here's the information. Since we're in the area, we're doing free foundation inspections. A lot of homes have similar issues. They were built around the same time. Do you have any kind of issues after heavy rains with water seepage and cracks?" And from there, you can kinda take it as far as you want to. But that's canvassing. That's what canvassing is. Now you can do that before or you can do it after. It's up to you. But there's an opportunity for you.